Vanity upon vanity. All is vanity. Our world spins in struggles. Our hearts sweat in silence. And yet I ask, will it be in vain? So much effort, so much seriousness. The dreams we have shaped with our hands, the visions we have carved from our soul, will they fade in vain? What we have spent our time to chase, what our minds had labored to create, what my fingers have whispered onto paper, what we believe to be our path, will it be in vain? Hold on. The works of your hands shall bloom like morning light. Yes, for what I have learnt in life is that by tomorrow, today will be yesterday, and we shall all tell the story of our success.